Good day guys, and welcome here to a new video on my channel. So as you can see, it's pretty sunny today, and I've also got so much in my hands because we are driving with the bus right now to our first highlight of the day. So if you maybe already seen at the title what we are going to do today, stay tuned for that. It's going to be absolutely amazing. Alright guys, so after driving with the bus for around about 1 hour and 30 minutes, we arrived here in Agra. And as you may know, Agra is a world famous city because here is standing the Taj Mahal. And as I already said, you can see by the title that we are visiting today the Taj Mahal. And the Taj Mahal is one of the 7 modern world wonders. We parked now the bus around about 1 kilometer away from the Taj Mahal because it isn't allowed to drive with a pollution vehicle near the Taj Mahal, and that's why we need to go on another bus, on a battery powered bus. It's written here in Hindi, so you can't read it unfortunately. Right here, and now we're taking here the battery bus to get to the Taj Mahal. Alright, so the bus brings us directly in front of the gate where we're passing, and I'll see you guys back in the Taj Mahal. Alright guys, so we're just entering now the great gate to the Taj Mahal gardens, and you can see in front of us the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal, meaning crown of the palace, is an ivory-white marble mausoleum on the south bank of the Yamuna River in the Indian city of Agra. It was commissioned in 1633 by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, reigned from 1628 to 1658, to house the tomb of his favorite wife Mumtaz Mahal. The tomb is the centerpiece of a 17-hectare complex which includes a mosque and a guest house, and it is set in formal gardens, as I said. The Taj Mahal attracts a large number of tourists, and UNESCO documented more than 2 million visitors in 2001, which had increased about 7 to 8 million in 2014. A 2-tier pricing system is in place, with a significantly lower entrance fee for Indian citizens and a more expensive one for foreigners. Most tourists visited in the cooler months of October, November and February like us. The Taj Mahal was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983 for being the jewel of Muslim art in India and one of the universally admired masterpieces of the world's heritage. It is regarded by many as the best example of Mughal architecture and is a symbol of India's rich history. It is also one of the 7 modern world wonders. So we're exploring now the gardens with an incredible view on the Taj Mahal. Alright guys, so we're just standing right now in the gardens, as you can see, and I'm literally flashed. It is so incredible. The white marble of the Taj Mahal is shining, and it is so incredible. The blue sky, the green garden and the white Taj Mahal. Wow, what a scenery. Alright guys, so we just came out from the Taj Mahal, and it was such a cultural experience. As you saw at the text before, we couldn't take our microphone with us into the Taj Mahal, as you can see right here, because it's prohibited, but that's no problem. As you heard, I explained in the background, so you had a little bit knowledge about it. It was so impressive to visit the Taj Mahal, and if you're around here in India, in Agra, definitely go there into the Taj Mahal, have a look. it's worth it. So now we're going to take the electro bus back to our bus and then we're going to have some lunch. We just had lunch, and after lunch we're now outside again. As you can see, we're in front of the Red Fort here in Agra, and we're going to visit now the Red Fort. So the Agra Fort is a historical fort in the city of Agra in India. It was the main residence of the emperors of the Mughal dynasty until 1638, when the capital was shifted from Agra to Delhi. The Agra Fort is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it is about 2.5 kilometers northwest of its more famous sister monument, the Taj Mahal. The fort can be more accurately described in a walled city. Realizing the importance of its central situation, Akbar made his capital and arrived in Agra 1558. His historian Abdul Fazl recorded this was a brick fort known as Baldagar. It was in ruined conditions and Akbar had to rebuild it with red sandstone from Barahadi area, Dalpat district in Rajasthan. Architect laid in the inner core with sandstone on external surface. Some 4,000 builders worked in it daily for 8 years, completing it in 1573. It was only during the reign of Akbar's grandson Shah Jahan that the site took on its current state. Shah Jahan built the beautiful Taj Mahal in the memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal, as I already said. Unlike his grandfather Shah Jahan, tended to have buildings made from white marble. He destroyed some of the earlier buildings inside the fort to make his own. Two of the fort gates are notable, the Delhi Gate and the Lahore Gate. The Lahore Gate is also popularly also known as the Amar Singh Gate, for Amar Singh Rataho. Alright guys, so we just arrived here in the courtyard, as you can see, and behind me you can see the palace, and wow, look there on the tree, there is a chipmunk. There it is. Oh no, it's hiding. Oh, sad. Alright, but we're going now inside and have a look and visit it. Wow, there is a chipmunk, as you can see. It ran down and now it is sitting on the grass. So what is very famous is here the bathtub in the middle of the courtyard, and it is made of a whole marble stone. So it is one complete stone and it was cut out from one stone. So it's a very big piece. As you can see, we can go around. As you can see, it's kind of 2, 3, 4 meters large or something like this, and it is really big. Alright guys, so after the Red Fort we arrived here back in our hotel, as you can see, and this day was just incredible. We visited the Taj Mahal, which was such an incredible highlight here of our India trip. After that we also visited the Red Fort, which was also pretty interesting, before going to dinner and after that to bed. So if you liked the video, make sure to give this video a thumb up. You also leave me some comments down below, and you don't forget to subscribe to MCee's and to my channel. I'll see you guys tomorrow back on MCee's channel with the last #Explore India trip vlog from India. Bye!